You guys, this place is a place of big bird. What's your name? Corona? Corona. Hi, Corona. This must be expensive bird. Hello. Hello, birdie. Oh my God. You're so loud. I cannot have that kind of bird. Hi, birdie. What you doing? What you doing? Are you playing? Hi. How are you, sweetheart? You like the camera? Yes, you do? Yeah? Nice meeting you. Oh, look at this. Hi. How are you, birdie? How you doing? How you doing?
Oh my goodness.
I want Corona. He's drunk.
He's drunk from drinking Corona.
Hi. Hi, sweetheart.
Hey, hey.
Daddy.
See? I tamed him. He said it's louder. He said he's loud. This guy is louder.
Okay, okay. Oh my God. I have to go away. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Hi, birdies. Ay, naku, ang gaganda ng ibon.
Let's get out of here.
Hi. 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 Hello. Is this cockatiel? Is cockatiel there?
No, I don't know what type of cockatiel though. I like conures, they're stupid.
This one? This one? Kick, kick. Ah. Oh, Luna must have this kind of, you know, it's better like this.
Are we old?
Yeah, she told me we can come and do.
Where you go? Here you go.
Let's go to the baby area. Baby. Must be a... Ang dami rin magaganda dito, mga baby.